Do you want to extract a RAR file on your iPhone without installing any third-party software? Hi there, this is Anna and I will show you how to extract any RAR files from your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, to extract the RAR files, first open the Shortcut app on iPhone. Now tap the plus icon on the top right corner. Tap the search icon. Look for the file. Select the file option. Now tap on the file icon on the top left corner. Here select your file. Also you can find your file location. Now just select your file and tap open. Again tap the search option. Type extract. Select extract archive. Lastly again tap the search. Type save file. Now tap done. Tap your saved file from the Shortcut app. Now tap done. Now tap on the file icon. Now select your extracting location on iPhone. Tap done to extract. Now there you can check, just open your file app and go to the select location. Then you will see your extracted files. This is how you can extract any RAR files on your iPhone without using any third-party software. If you're still having anything to ask, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.